Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will look at extracting the age from the date of birth of an individual. Normally, when you can do this, you can simply use the current year, for example, 2024, minus the year of their birth, 1965. That will give us an age of 59. However, this does not take into account the month or even the day of the date of birth. So what if it is after the month displayed? You can simply add 1, but that does not make it dynamic. The easiest way to do this is simply use the formula today. The today formula extracts the current date as per your computer system time, and then you negative the date of birth from that date. But wait a minute, that gives you a date as well. How do we only get the age? You simply use more number formats and change it to only display the year. And that will give you the age of each individual, but also make it dynamic so that if the date changes, the age changes as well. I trust you enjoy this video, and remember to like and subscribe.